Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I want to show you how to change notifications on your iPhone. So to change your notification sounds on your iPhone, this is what you have to do. The first thing you want to do, you want to go to your settings on your iPhone. So let's open up my settings. So once you open up the settings on your iPhone, I want you to scroll down a little bit and tap on sounds and haptics. So let us tap on sounds and haptics. So once you tap on sounds and haptics, it will bring up another page for you. So on this page, to change your notification sounds for this iPhone, this is what you have to do. You can change the sounds for ringtone, you can change the sound for text tone, for voicemail, for new mail, for sent mail, for calendar alert, for reminder alert, and your default alert. So you just want to check which one do you want to change the sound. Let's say you want to change the text message sound. You just want to tap on text tone. So once you tap on text tone, then you want to check through all this and select the one you want. So once you select the one you want, just go back and the sound will be added successfully. So guys, this is how to actually change your notification sound on your iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.